Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 9th, 10th lesson from the book Behave, If I Were You. Here we go. Question number 1. Where did Gerard live? Options are in a hotel, in a house, alone in a cottage, or in a city. And the right answer is alone in a cottage. Question number 2. Who entered his cottage? Options are a hawker, a thief, a criminal, or all. And the correct option is a criminal. Question number 3. What was the criminal's intention? Options are to steal money, to have food, to kill Gerard and take on his identity, or none. And the right answer is to kill Gerard and take on his identity. Question number 4. Who is the writer of this lesson? Options are Jane Austen, Douglas James, Hilary, or none. And the right answer is Douglas James. Question number 5. What is this story about? Options are about a playwright, that is Gerard, about an incident from a poet's life, about a thief, or none. And the right answer is about a playwright, that is Gerard. Question number 6. When did the intruder enter Gerard's house? Options are when he was sleeping, early morning, when he was about to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal, or midnight. And the correct answer is when he was about to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. Question number 7. What was the intruder carrying in his hand? Options are a stick, a gun, a knife, or a sword. And the right answer is a gun. Question number 8. Why was the police looking for the intruder? Options are because he had a charge of theft, because he robbed a bank, because he committed a murder, or because he ran from the jail. And the right answer is because he committed a murder. Question number 9. Why did the intruder want to know everything about Gerard before killing him? Options are to imitate him, to steal his wealth, to befool him, or to take his place. And the right answer is to imitate him. Question number 10. How did Gerard befool the intruder? Options are by mimicking, telling jokes, by asking him to peep out to look for police outside, or none. And the right answer is by asking him to peep out to look for police outside. Question number 11. How did Gerard save himself from the intruder? Options are by pushing him inside a cupboard and locking it from outside, by showing him a gun, by calling police, or by shouting. And the right answer is by pushing him inside a cupboard and locking it from outside. Question number 12. At last, a sympathetic audience. Who said this? Options are the intruder, the sergeant, Gerard, or none. And the right answer is Gerard. Question number 13. Why did the intruder choose only Gerard as his mask player? Options are because he enjoyed a good rapport, he was easy to approach, because his face and build was identical to him, or none. And the right answer is because his face and build was identical to him. Question number 14. I said it with bullets. Why did Gerard say this to the intruder? Options are to kill him, to distract him, to save himself from the intruder, or all. And the right answer is to save himself from the intruder. Question number 15. Who is Gerard by profession? Options are a spy, a soldier, a policeman, or a playwright. And the correct answer is a playwright. Question number 16. You'll soon stop being smart. Why did the intruder say this to Gerard? Options are to scare and stop him from being smart, to show him his power, to kill him, or none. And the right answer is to scare and stop him from being smart. Question number 17. What was the surprise for the intruder? Options are Gerard's false identity, Gerard was a playwright, Gerard was a policeman, or none. And the correct answer is Gerard's false identity. Question number 18. What was the surprise for Gerard? Options are intruder, intruder's intention of killing him, intruder was a murderer, or none. And the correct answer is intruder's intention of killing him. Question number 19. How many times have the words "This is your big surprise" been used in the play? Options are 5 times, once, thrice, or twice. And the right answer is twice. Question number 20. Why did Gerard lie to the intruder? Options are to make him run, to give him a false impression, to scare the intruder and save himself from him, or all. And the correct answer is to scare the intruder and save himself from him. Question number 21. Which words used by Gerard in the play show that he is a theatrical person? Options are melodramatic, sympathetic audience, disguised outfit, or all. And the right option is all. Question number 22. What did Gerard first do after locking up the intruder? Options are picked up the phone, sat on the sofa, delivered the props, or none. And the correct answer is picked up the phone. Question number 23. What, according to the intruder, would stop and scare Gerard? Options are knowledge of intruder's plan of murdering him, his true identity, gunpoint, or his shouting. And the right answer is knowledge of intruder's plan of murdering him. Question number 24. What was the story that Gerard made up to escape the intruder? Options are that police lives nearby, he is a spy, Gerard himself was a murderer, or delaying of decision by villain, he made up a story of melodrama. And the right answer is delaying of decision by villain, he made up a story of melodrama. Question number 25. What did Gerard say to the intruder about packed bags? Options are: the police was expected to raid his house and he packed his bag to run away. That he had to go for rehearsal. He had to deliver props, or none. And the right answer is that police was expected to raid his house and he packed his bag to run away. Question number 26. What is the meaning of melodrama? Options are: display of emotions in an exaggerated manner, bad scenes, false scenes, or vague things. And the right answer is display of emotions in an exaggerated manner. Question number 27. Why did Gerard pick up the phone first after locking the intruder? Options are: to inform his friends, to inform his co-players, to tell that he won't be able to deliver props on time for being struck in a trouble, and to call the sergeant, or none. And the right answer is to tell that he won't be able to deliver props on time for being struck in a trouble, and to call the sergeant. Question number 28. According to Gerard, where could the sergeant be found? Options are: in the street, in the police station, in the bar, or none. And the right answer is in the bar. Question number 29. Why was Gerard leaving his house? Options are: to deliver props for the rehearsal of the play, to go to other city, for a change, or none. And the right answer is to deliver props for the rehearsal of the play. Question number 30. What did Gerard say to the intruder when the phone bell rang? Options are: it's time for rehearsal, police has come, it's time to leave, or all. And the right answer is it's time to leave. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.